Let's go to the money desk now, this hour here on Today with my colleague, our business editor at ENC, Devin Murugan. Good afternoon, Devin. I see one economist believes we've seen the worst of the fuel price hikes and could ease soon.
Yeah, that's the feeling. I mean, we've seen that rise in the petrol price being announced for December this week. With the price of diesel dropping. So hopefully the stabilization of both the rand-dollar exchange rate and the oil price would come to bear. So the petrol price is likely to drop in the next few months, and it's according to economist Davy Root. Both grades of petrol, as I said, have gone up 59 cents a litre this month, but Root says oil prices will come down, and that may be some help. And that leaves the exchange rate, the rand-dollar exchange rate, as one of the only factors that could affect the petrol price going forward. Here's Davy Root. He explains.
There are only three major reasons that affect the petrol price. The one is, of course, the fuel levy. And the fuel levy is adjusted once a year, and that is adjusted in February. So in March, the petrol price will go up because of the change in the fuel levy or the tax in petrol. And we pay quite a lot on taxes. About 40% of what you pay for petrol goes to various taxes, but that only happens once a year. The other two factors are the exchange rate of the rand, the currency, and the other one, of course, is the international oil price. Now, what we have seen lately is the rand coming under some pressure, and we're recently seeing the rand coming under some pressure, and that, of course, added to the petrol price. But the good news is that the international oil price has been drifting lower, and I expect the international oil price to continue to slowly get lower over the next couple of months. And there are reasons behind that. That has to do with the war in Ukraine, and it has to do with Venezuela starting to pump more oil and so on. But the bottom line is I think the oil price is going to be, say, $70, $75 or so in a couple of months' time, which means that the petrol price is likely to come down as well. The only outstanding factor will be the exchange rate of the currency. And we have seen the rand coming under some pressure the last couple of days because of the political shenanigans going on in South Africa. So let's hope we get some clarity and calm there, and then the rand is likely to come back. I think, all in all, chances are quite good we're going to see the petrol price coming down quite nicely over the next couple of months.